Hello students, in this video we have the trigonometric equation, that is sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square, that is equal to k plus tangent square alpha plus cot square alpha, and we have to find the value of k. So let's start to solve it. Firstly, we rewrite the left hand side, that is sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square, and we rewrite this equation in the form of sin alpha and cos alpha as so. This equation will become sin alpha plus 1 upon sin alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus 1 upon cos alpha whole square. So as we know the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So use this formula in this equation, we get sin square alpha plus 1 upon sin square alpha plus 2 into sin alpha into 1 upon sin alpha plus cos square alpha plus 1 upon cos square alpha plus 2 into cos alpha into 1 upon cos alpha. From this sin alpha to this sin alpha cancel out and cos alpha to cos alpha cancel out, and this will become sin square alpha plus 1 upon sin square alpha plus 2 plus cos square alpha plus 1 upon cos square alpha plus 2. After simplification, we get 4 plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 1 upon sin square alpha plus 1 upon cos square alpha. As we know, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So our equation will become 4 plus 1 plus 1 upon sin square alpha plus 1 upon cos square alpha. Now rewrite this equation as 5 plus 1 upon sin square alpha plus 1 upon cos square alpha. Now take the LCM of this equation. We have sin square alpha into cos square alpha, and here it is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and here it is 5 plus. After simplification, we get this will become 1. So put on the place of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1 upon sin square alpha and cos square alpha, and name it as equation number 1. Now take right hand side, that is k plus tangent square alpha plus cot square alpha. Before proceeding further, we use some formula, that is 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to secant square alpha. Therefore, the value of tan square alpha become secant square alpha minus of 1, and as we know 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosecant square alpha. Therefore, value of cot square alpha become cosecant square alpha minus of 1. Use these value in this equation, we get k plus secant square alpha minus 1 plus cosecant square alpha minus 1. After simplification, we get k minus 2 plus secant square alpha written as 1 upon cos square alpha plus cosecant alpha be written as sin square alpha. So there it is k minus 2 plus, after LCM we get sin square alpha plus cos square alpha upon cos square alpha into sin square alpha. After simplification, we get k minus 2 plus 1 upon cos square alpha into sin square alpha. As we know, the right hand side will become 5 plus 1 upon cos square alpha into sin square alpha, that is equal to right hand side k minus 2 plus 1 upon cos square alpha into sin square alpha. After comparing, we get 5 is equal to k minus 2 and the value of k minus 2 is equal to 5, and the k will become 5 plus 2, and k, the value of k becomes 7. So the answer for this question will become k is equal to 7. This is all about my video. For more question, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.